Done washing the car. Bro, why every time I wash the car? Oh my god, let me just get this. Oh, it's tough. Oh my god. Okay, let's just get this thing in the garage. ASAP. Close the garage door. Yo, what is happening, like, bro? Wait. My friend is texting me. He says, see the chat. I mean, see the news. I can't speak. Let's go see the news. Inside. Let's just watch the news. Storm will be coming, and there might even be a tornado. Stay indoors. Bro. Oh my god. Like, bro. Do you all understand? I'm going close to the TV. Bro, this means something. Like, oh, okay. Like, oh my god. Bro, this means, oh my god. Okay, someone's knocking on my, in the back. Yo. What is bro doing in the storm? Oh my god. Let me tell him to sit down because he's like, bro. Did you see the news? Did you see? Like, bro, this is insane. And storm and what day, like, bro. The storm and might be a tornado, like, bro. We need to go into the city, like, bro. Because it's not safe. Gonna take my Mustang because I'm gonna take my Mustang. It's here in the back, like, bro. It is here in the back. I'm just talking to myself. Actually to myself, but I like just like, okay, I'll show you guys where it is right now. Show you guys right now. Still loading, so don't mind. Okay, there we go. Okay, so actually going to go, like, he's going. Okay, he said he's gonna chill here at the house just to see if it's safe. Like, bro, which your friend would do that. So I hope the Tundra and the other cars are safe, like the BMW. I hope those cars are safe here, but obviously it's safe. It's in the hands of my friend. He has a pretty good collection of himself, like, trust. You guys remember this car being beater? Then look at it now, like, bro, this car is like, oh my god, I'm going to bust down the mountain. Oh my god, I'm talking weird, bro. Oh, it's sliding here, man, bro. I should turn on traction control. Hey, I'm gonna turn on traction control. Guys, I might become a real Mustang driver, like, right now. Yeah. I mean, you're not saying driver. I mean, like, you into the bridge. Or into that house, I suppose. So, oh, it's nighty. Going the wrong way. I love Morton. Now Morton is having a storm, so I have to leave Morton. I knew it was a bad idea to move into Morton. I mean, it wasn't a bad idea. No, I never knew it was a bad idea. It wasn't actually a bad idea, it's just that there's a storm. I never. Wait! I just realized something. My lights are working. I thought they weren't working, that's why I was. And I could not see. And I still cannot see. Guys, I'm going slow because I don't know if there's anything. It's like anything in front. I don't know how far I am from the stop sign. With that I can actually see like right now. This is insane. I know it's also happening in the city, but then they said it's a high chance in water. Okay. Okay, now this car is starting me like, bro. Finally. You guys hear that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, oh my god, tornado. Oh my god. Guys, we should go more into the city because I hear the tornado siren. Oh my god, I'm scared, bro. You know I'm just scared, bro. Like, bro, does this mean that this is good? Wait, it stopped. It never. Okay. I'm just gonna go. Oh my god, I'm going to the police station, bro. Even people are busy doing YouTubes and saying they're busy going to the police station. Are they all late? Yo, I thought I just heard siren head. You know, it's the tires. But anyways, yeah, I see cars like passing me. I don't want to show them. Okay, I'm just going. I know they're going faster. Woohoo! Wait, no, that was sick. But anyways, I know they're going past the police station, so I think I should park my car. Like, see, oh my god, I'm not stuck. Wait. Okay, I'm just gonna not show the police because then they're going to. Audi, sir. Audi. You can go right into your sir. Okay. Is it only you? Yeah. Oh, okay. Just after you go inside, just walk out as fast as you can and go into the meeting room. It's over there. Okay, bet. Thank you, bye. Bye, I guess man, I do have fun now. Bro, look at this. Now I'm gonna shut. Wait, I think I got VIP parking. I'm a lying. I'm a cop. I'm like a legit cop. That's why I say go into the meeting room. Civilians won't know where the meeting room is. So obviously, I'm a cop. I know I was supposed to be the one who's busy getting everyone to safety. Like, my friend is also a cop. Okay. I know this car is safe. Wait, I'm getting a call from my friend. I'll answer it inside there. Oh, because I had to go. Whew. Okay, let's just see what my friend says on the phone. Good. Alright. It's just something else is not alright. It's your cars, bro. In your house. Nah. As long as you're right. But nah. You sure you're right? Should I pick you up? No, I'm good. I have my car in my garage that's almost got destroyed also. Oh my god, it's coming here. Okay, oh my god. Like, bro, run! Run for your life. I can't. I mean, try for your life, by the way. Go. Just go. I'm going to my house, like, right now. Okay, Bats. I'll phone you. Bats. Okay, I'm just a little bit worried. Don't be worried. They said on the news that the storm is gonna stop, like, right now. For real? Yeah. Okay, I'll see you. Bye. It's gonna stop. The storm is gonna stop, so let's just see. It just stopped. Guys, I brought the car out. I just brought it out, like, right, guys. Guys, I'm gonna go check the house, like, right now. Tell the guys when I'm there. The house. Oh my god. Guys. Oh my god. Look at this. There was houses upon houses upon houses. It's not even one house. Guys, I'm gonna go bankrupt. My cars! Where are they? Supposed to be destroyed. I mean, to be fair, the storm stopped. Then I started at the police station, then they wiped out everything. Oh my god. Oh